What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you how to open up a locked or faulty door, particularly in the case of an emergency. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Now, this method here is able to work on any door in your house. There is a reason for it, and I'm going to show you guys in a second exactly what's going on here. But first, I'm going to demonstrate how to actually open it. Now, obviously, we've got our lock on this side here on the left. We've got our hinges on the right-hand side. This one is working at the moment, but I'm not going to touch the handle. I'm going to show you guys how to open it without using the handle whatsoever. So we're going to simply lift the door straight up into the air and then put a bit of pressure on the hinge side, which is right here. So if we lift it up, get a grip anywhere you can, lift the door straight up, slide that door in. And you can see there that we've now opened up that door nice and easy without using the handle. I'm going to bring you guys in closer and explain exactly what's going on here. So the reason why we're able to open up this door in this particular way is simply due to the style of hinges installed here. The Australian Construction Code states that if you've got a toilet pan within 1.5 meters of your door, you need to have lift-off hinges. And as the name suggests, the lift-off hinges allow you to literally lift the door straight up and off the hinges. You can reverse it back in the exact same position. Obviously, you wouldn't want these installed on your front door because that will allow anybody to get in. But if you've got elderly parents, you've got kids that you're concerned they might lock themselves in the bedroom or in the bathroom or any other internal door, you can install these little lift-off hinges here, replace your old butt hinges that has a pin that runs all the way through, and reinstall some lift-off hinges. That's going to allow you to get into that door in the case of an emergency. And the amount of times that I've been called out, honestly, for people that have been stuck in the bathroom for literally hours, sometimes kids, and they have to wait for a locksmith or wait for me to come out to be able to gain access inside. However, if you swap them over to lift-off hinges, you're going to save yourself money, grief. You're going to be able to get to that person really fast. You guys saw just how easy it is. The reason why they actually introduced this as law is to simply prevent, to allow emergency services to be able to get into the bathroom if somebody's collapsed inside, especially if you don't have any other access, if you haven't got a window, you haven't got another door. If they've literally wedged themselves between the toilet pan and the door, there's no way to open up that door without having lift-off hinges. So hopefully this video is going to help you guys out. If you need a video on how to replace standard butt hinges over to lift-off hinges, let me know. More than happy to do it, and hopefully this is going to help people out, save some lives, and also save you guys some money. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.